Alright, so there you go. Let's see here. When I had these tires on, the torque converter was really struggling to take off, to get going. Once I got going, I kept building up speed, but I didn't want to keep going because I don't have my brake adjusted to that size of weight, you know. So I didn't want to do that. So I didn't. So working with these tires would take a lot more redoing everything. Plus on top of that, I just didn't like it because I sat up so high. I don't like riding like this, driving at an angle, you know, where I'm sitting up and my legs are going down. I don't like that. These tires seem to perform a lot better than these. These tires here are 22 by 12. Wait, where are they at? Where's the number at? There you go. They're 22 by 11 by 8. So the rim is 8 inches. Let's see. These ones are 18 by 10 by 10. That's what these are, with an offset rim. 5 by 3. So, yeah. Both of them I didn't like on there because they both caused me to sit up higher. Now since it's a trike, or since it's a quad now, I could probably take off the fender and then take my axle and put my axle going on top of the frame and then put these tires on, but I don't want to do that because it's just too much weight for this thing and for the rear end, and even as it was with these on there, it was really difficult to turn because the front doesn't have very much weight to it. So alright guys, that's what I did today. I made this little video series and wanted to play around with this YouTube stuff a little bit. There you go. Post a comment, tell me what you guys think about these two tires. Yeah, looks like Cody's outside playing in the water. Cody, are you jumping on the trampoline with the water?
Yeah.
Does it feel good? Yeah. Do you feel so free?
Sometimes my cookie gets in the water.
Oh, you got a cookie in your hand? Yuck, is it getting soggy and icky? Oh, okay. Rate, comment, and over on my channel I have my moderator operating right now, so if you're interested in throwing out an idea on something that I might be able to build, keep in mind it's got to be feasible. It can't be some super elaborate machine because it will be something I'll be designing and selling the plans for. So it's got to be financially even, you know, is it going to be worth somebody else building? So, alright, you guys take it easy. I'll talk to you later.